Hello guys, I'm gonna be buying my flowers today. Today is May 18. I'm gonna be buying flowers. $13 for one like this. For one like this. Oh my gosh, wait first. How much is it? Oh, $36.
But remember that we paid 24 for the other one. And there's more one. 25.
Oh, so we're gonna go to the bakery?
No, this one is better. You see how big it is? So
they can leave it outside?
Yeah, leave it outside. This is for outside.
Okay, so
it's the same one like the one we have.
Oh, so we cannot bring it inside. They just leave,
no.
they just
leave it outside.
It.
No, leave it outside. If you die, if you cut it, if you grow up again.
Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Okay. This is like a purple pink, pink purple. Do you have a small one?
Yeah, but it's small.
This one. This is so good. Oh my god. It's so good. This is the $2. How much that one? It's a big one. I think the other one is bigger.
The same one.
It's the same $38.
Yeah. You see, this is Star Blossom now.
Wow, that is so nice.
Cherry Blossom.
So we're gonna be put water under there.
No, take it off and put it on the floor.
Oh, okay.
This take it off and put it on the floor. This goes next to the other one.
Oh my gosh. No, I can't.
We have a different. Yeah. They have this one, but that one is bigger.
Oh my gosh, this really beautiful. So this is, guys, is lemon. This is lemon, the orange lemon. Yeah, lemon. I'm gonna be buying plant today because we're gonna be planting. I don't know what is the name. This is the green product. This is the parsley. Cilantro is $15. Goodness, that's so. And this one is chili, not peppers. Yeah, we're gonna be planting in my garden tomorrow, so we're gonna be buying today. So look, so this is the he grew up already. Like it's the Bonneville. It's $4.98. I'm gonna be buy one today. A lot of flower. This is the purple, and this is different flowers. Oh my goodness, it's really beautiful. And this kind of is the flower, but all is purple. This is rosemary. Oh, look at this one. Look at the flowers. What kind of flower is this? Up lights and wow. That's so nice.